Everyone, how are you this morning? Okay, before you go to school, did you take a shower?
Yes.
How about your breakfast? Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, so now I will check first your attendance. Please number on today. Okay, very good. So before we go to another topic, let us have first each short. Who can give me? Who can remember our previous topic last week? Anyone? Yes? Yes, really? Okay, our topic last meeting was all about multiplication. So, do you know what multiplication already?
Yes.
Did you know how to solve it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now, before to start the new lesson, let us have first an agreement. So, what will you do if your teacher is talking very fun? Anyone? Yes and yes?
Participate actively.
Okay, participate actively and listen attentively. Okay, how about if your teacher will give you an activity? What will you do? Yes, Dominic?
Participate actively.
Okay, very good. Participate actively. How about if your teacher will going to ask you a question and you want to answer? What will you do? Yes, boy? Okay, if your teacher will going to ask you a question and you want to answer, always raise your hand. Don't answer in chorus unless if your teacher tells you to do so, okay? And of course, minimize your noise or voice when the teacher is speaking very fast so that you will also hear and understand what I am talking very fast. Okay, so now, let us have first objectives. So here objectives are the goals that we are hoping to achieve at the end of the lesson. So at the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to, letter A was to read. Yes, Dominique?
Improper fraction.
Okay, thank you. Letter B? Yes, Jessa?
Change in proper fraction, the mixed number, and vice versa.
Okay, thank you. And last? Yes, Joy, and Joy? Letter C?
Work cooperatively and group activities.
Okay, so this will be our objectives while our class is going on. So I hope we'll hit all the goals and all the objectives that are written there. So now I will give you an activity. I will group you first into 3 groups. But before that, can you count off 1 to 3?
1, 3, 2, 3.
1,
2, 3, 2.
So all the group 1 will be here, group 2 will be there, and group 3 will be at the back. So, can you go to your respective area? So everyone listen. All you have to do is to arrange the count pictures and identify what fraction number each unit figure is representing. Okay, so second, post your work in a manila paper, and after that, post it here in front and choose one representative to present your work. Okay, so I will only give you 5 minutes to do your work. Okay, group 1.
Hindi ka.
Ano mo?
Cuman ini na lang muna yung sniper na tanan.
Ito, try na. Hindi.
Mana isa? Wala ka nila eh? Mampu na lagi isa mo. Wala na dyan ay kamay na. Sige na, pating na sa tapos ng tapos.
So on the side, can you make it faster?
Ga-vlog na akong kauban.
For each teacher is representing. Identify what you can you post your work? Just tell us what kind of property it is and how many figures it is. Okay?
So there are 7 figures shaded, and there are 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 7 over 3. So this is.
So this is 7 over 3. Thank you. Next group, group 1, please.
Figure is the square in class 184, then it will divided into 4 but it has 3 shaded. So if all 3 4, it is no proper fraction because the denominator is bigger than the numerator.
Smaller.
Smaller figure. Smaller than
Okay, thank you. And group 3. Can you try the center word?
Group 3, circle, then it's divided to 1, 2, 3, 4, then all are shaded, so 1, 8, what's this empty, so 4 over 4.
Okay, thank you.
All numbers.
Thank you. Thank you, Master. Thank you. So all your answers are correct. And as you can see in your work, there are different kinds of fraction. Okay, so here the numerator and denominator is the same. And here in group 2, the denominator is smaller than the numerator. And in the group 1, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So now, who have any idea about our topic for today's lesson? Anyone? Yes?
I think it's improper fraction.
Okay, thank you. So our topic for today is all about changing improper fraction into mixed number and vice versa. So meaning, vice versa means improper fraction into mixed number and mixed number into improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Who wants to read? Yes, Honey Joy?
Improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Okay, so improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, and its example is here, the 7/3. So it's always the numerator is the bigger than the numerator. But how about here in 4/4? Is this an improper fraction or a proper fraction? Proper. Okay, very good. 4/4 is considered an improper fraction. Okay, so improper fraction is when the numerator is the same or bigger than the denominator. So now who can give me another example of improper fraction? Another example of improper fraction. Yes?
5/3.
Okay, very good. 5/3. Who else? Anyone? Yes?
9/4.
Okay, 9/4. So now let's move forward to mixed number. What is mixed number? Who wants to read? Yes, Jeremy?
Mixed number, a number consisting of an integer, whole number, and a proper fraction.
Okay, here in mixed number, the number or the fraction is consisting an integer or it is a whole number. Okay, so, and also a proper fraction. When we say a proper fraction, it is the numerator is smaller than the denominator and consisting one whole number. So now, who can give me whole number? Yes?
25 now.
25. Okay, 25 is an example of whole number. And now, who can give me an example of a proper fraction? Proper. Oh, see again. 2 and
2/3.
okay, so very good. This is an example of mixed number. It has a whole number and a proper fraction 2/3. Okay, so now let's go back to the title of our lesson, changing improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. So the question is how? How to change improper fraction to mixed number? Okay, so to change improper fraction to mixed number, we have 3 steps. So who wants to read step 1? Yes, Trisha?
Divide the numerator by the denominator.
Okay, we are going to divide the numerator by the denominator. And step 2? Yes, Francis?
Write down the whole number answer.
Okay, next is to write down the whole number answer. And 3, what's okay, Jimoy?
There is remember, write the remainder above the original denominator.
Great, no problem. Okay, thank you. So, now, for us to be able to understand it more, I have an example here, 7/3. So, how to change 7/3 into mixed number? So, first step is, all we have to do is to divide, right? Okay. So, 7 divide 3. How much? Okay, 2 times 3.
6.
Okay, 7 minus 6?
1.
Okay, was 1. So now, we already done the step 1. Step 2, write down the whole number answer. So the number 2 is the whole number. Okay? Step 3, if there's a remainder, write the remainder above the original denominator. So the remainder will always be above the original denominator, which is the 1. What is our remainder? N/3. So now, from improper fraction, we convert it into a mixed number. And this is its answer, okay? So, now, example number 2, who wants to answer? But before that, did you get it class? Am I clear? Did you understand how to change it?
Yes.
Okay, so who wants to answer for number 2? Okay, Francis? Jeremy, you raise your hand. And Vanessa, number 4. And number 5. For number 5. What's the answer for number 5? Any volunteer? Guys, any volunteer? Yes, Anyat? First to number 5. Okay. Okay, so thank you. Yes, thank you. 5/4. So 5 divided 4 equals to 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So the answer is 1 and 1/4. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And for number 3, 15/7. So 15 divided 7. 2. 2 times 7, 14. 15 minus 14 equals to 1. So the answer will be 2 and 1/7. So this is also correct. Okay. So now let's proceed to application. Let's have an activity. Since you already know how to change improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa, I will give you an activity. So can you count from 1 up to 4?
Okay.
Thank you so much for our demonstrator for this day. Isa to wala? Holiday? Alisa? Okay, sakto yung pag-explain. And, nanong ilugang, while considering, let the students, sakto yung ingon, pasolve mo, but let the students explain their words. Ayaw ito mag-explain sila, may explain na po. Ikaw, facilitate ka. Sakto pa rin mong iwag galing na, sa correct. But what you do na and then, sa imong objectives, your objectives should be done after with your information. Pag i-close mo sa imong topic, proceed ka sa imong objectives. Ano siya?